Good day and welcome to the tea. Today's tea is in reference to thumbtacks and elastic. Have you ever been irritated with trying to keep your shower rod in place? And you know how the adhesive is on the side. Of course, it's rubber and it's not going to stay all the time. So, this is a hack I came up with for someone. Now, you tell me what you think. What I did was for them, I took a piece of white elastic, choose the color of your choice, and a thumbtack. All I did was tie the string, the elastic rather, around the side of the shower rod. And I just took the rest and extended it to the wall and just pressed the thumbtack in to give it some hold. So if ever a situation where your rod tries to slip, it will be less likely to fall. Now, I'm not saying that this is going to be a permanent fix. We just never know, okay? Because if you bump into it, hey, it might just come out. But if you decide to nail it, well, you can do that. This is just a friendly way of doing so without putting an extra hole in the wall. Well, tell me what you think, okay? I'm waiting. And until the next time you sit with me, stay focused and enjoy your tea.